Hi, my name is Jesse Bernal, and I'm the Vice President for Inclusion and Equity at Grand Valley State University. There are a million ways that you can make tacos. Today, Gabby, who's a graduate student in the division, and I are going to show you a way to make them a little healthier. So there are lots of ways to cook tacos. My grandma taught me how to make tortillas. Half a teaspoon. This is just flour. It's 2 cups flour, and then half a teaspoon. So that's. And today we'll be making some homemade tortillas. They always taste better than the store-bought stuff. It's kind of what makes things a little special. And today, instead of using lard, which is traditional in at least Mexican tortillas, we'll be using coconut oil, which is just a substitute that makes it a little healthier. You may be familiar with the classic meats that go into most tacos. Beef is one of them, and pork is another. Usually meats that are heavier in fat and not as good for you. Today we're going to use turkey, and just to speed up the process, we're going to use ground turkey. You can use any kind of meat that you'd like to make tacos. Really, it's all about the seasoning, and spicier the better. I don't like spice, despite the fact that I'm from Texas and also Mexican, but other people like spice, and so we're going to make them a little spicy. Like chop off like that.
Oh, okay.
Because we don't want the stems.
Yeah.
So just as important as the spices are the toppings that you put on tacos. It's my favorite thing about the tacos. So I love to cook. I don't get to do it as often as I would like to. I've cooked since I was pretty young. My mom was worked full time and raised my brothers and me on her own, so we really cooked for the family. All my brothers cook, usually barbecue being down in South Texas, but one of the things that we used to make when we went over to our grandmother's house were tortillas and tacos and other Mexican dishes. So being in Michigan now, after spending 12 years in California away from my family who's down in Texas, cooking really allows me to feel like I'm connected to them more often than I'm able to actually connect with them. Sometimes I'm actually on the phone cooking while my grandmother is helping me through a recipe, which is always fun. Food allows you to connect with many things. It allows you to connect with people who are different from you, from memories, maybe your own past experiences with family or people that you care about. The work that we do at Grand Valley to advance inclusion and equity strives to do some of the same things. We strive to bring communities together, diverse communities together, and food is just one of the ways we can do that. Should we make more?